Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is head over to Google COLAB. Then we're going to make sure that we connect up in the right corner. Press that. I'm going to run with high RAM. You don't have to do that. Then we're going to change the runtime. You do that in the menu here. Press change runtime type. If you're not running a GPU, do that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to mount our drive. We do that here. Click it. And then press play. Yes, run this. And then you're going to have to connect to Google Drive. I'm just going to fast forward here so that you guys don't have to see this. Okay, once that's done, we can scroll down and download the LoRA model. You can obviously choose a different model if you want that, but I'm just going to go with the generic LoRA model because this is not about different models, it's about the setup. Once this is done, we're just going to scroll down. We're not going to do a custom model. You can obviously do that, play around with it. We're not going to do a VEA either, but we will try to make a train data directory. So first we check in LoRA, and it does not have a train data directory. So we run this cell, fast forward, and then you can see now we have that. That's great. What we're going to do now is that we're going to upload a zip file to our drive. You do it by dropping it here. Yes, and then let's just upload that. Good. Once that's up and running, we can do a right click and then, just copy path, paste it here, and just check that the path is actually correct. Once it's ready, just run the cell, and then it should be good. Let's check training data, and we have all the pictures. Nice. Now we can just scroll all the way down to the blip because we want a text file. So run this cell. Let's see, we're just gonna run it. Run it like this, and then we're gonna press fast forward. Once this is done, you should have files with captions for all the pictures. So open your train data and see. Yeah, they're there. Great. Okay, so scroll down. We're gonna start the model configuration now. Let's call it test. Whoops, test like that. And run that cell. Now, let's do the dataset configuration. Let's see, we're just gonna do this so that we get symmetrical pictures. Great. Now run the LoRA 5.3 as is. And then we head down to 5.4. Here we're gonna have to do some changes. So I'm gonna do high RAM. If you're on the free version, do low RAM. And we're gonna change this to 1 and 1. The reason for that is that it has crashed when I don't do this. Then we're gonna save every other epoch, just in case something crashes, we can continue from there. We run 10 epochs, so getting 5 files should be enough. Let's set that up, and then we're ready for training. Start training by running this cell. I'm just going to do fast forward again. You guys don't need to wait for this. And once this is done, you should have the file in the output folder. Yeah, every other epoch is saved, and the last one, the one without any numbers, that's the one you want to download. Fast forward, and there it is. Great, guys. You can obviously just, place it in your LoRA models and automatic 1111 so that you have something to train when you run your stable diffusion.